Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, the 12th of June, 2025. Welcome to a new episode of Markets in Minutes brought to you by PPI. Global markets remain under pressure despite some positive headlines. The U.S. and China reached a limited trade agreement covering the rare earth minerals and the student visas, but investors remain cautious due to the broader geopolitical risks and especially in the Middle East. And as a result, European markets continued to slide for a fourth session, while the Asian markets also traded slightly lower. At the same time, the US dollar is losing ground, falling to its lowest levels since April. This weakness is supported by the softer inflation expectations after the recent CPI report and as well as the ongoing uncertainty. Gold prices are seeing renewed safe haven demand, while the oil prices jumped nearly 5% on supply concerns linked to the previously mentioned escalating tensions in the Middle East. Looking ahead to today's economic agenda, today's focus is on the U.S. Producer Price Index, commonly known as the PPI, as well as the weekly jobless claims. For May, the PPI is expected to rise 0.2% or to have risen 0.2% after a sharp 0.5% previously, while the core PPI is seen to have risen 0.3%. On the labor front, the initial jobless claims are expected at 242,000 new claims, which is slightly lower than the last week's 247, with the continuing claims projected at almost 1.9 million. These numbers will give the investors more insight into the inflation trends and labor market conditions ahead of the upcoming Federal meeting. That's all for today's update. Thanks for watching Markets in Minutes with PU Prime. Stay tuned for more trading updates and have a great trading day.